The wait is finally over. This has been months in the making. Mike is giving away everything he's got.
300 people here, and they're going, man. Like said, some of the prices are kicking me right between the legs, and others I'm going, wow, I'm not worthy. Not good enough. Somebody else is really happy. I'm really sad. By the end of May, 29th of May, 2025, I'm supposed to be out of business along with most of the other enterprises on the property here. Every building here is illegal according to the Agricultural Land Commission. The Agricultural Land Commission administers the Agricultural Land Reserve, which is the actual land that's in the reserve that's classified as agricultural. I mean, their mandate is to preserve and protect agricultural land for future generations and from development. If you see that little 2-foot wide piece of plywood between the two doors, if you draw a line between it and me and extrapolate it that way, everything on this side is out of the ALR. Everything on this side is in the ALR. I can't argue with their decision. I wish I hadn't put up a $600,000-$700,000 building that was illegal, but we're having a final auction. We're gonna clean out most of the cars. I mean, I'm keeping just a couple, but no more than your average backyard guy would have. But I can't have 70, 80 cars here when they come at the end of May and look at the property. My goal is to not have to tear the main shop down. If they let me subdivide, I can turn it into a house with a large attached garage.
Right now, just before the auction, Mike's putting on a brave face, I guess you could say.
I should know better. The last auction, the last one, there was nothing I touched. This one, we've got 7 or 8 cars I got a lot of money into. And I remember the first auction, the first 3 cars, I lost 100 grand on the finished ones.
Right.
So I'm a little leery.
Well, you should be.
Yes. I know.
Fill up the tires, that's it.
That's right, fill up the tires and bolt the seats down.
And quit falling in love with the cars.
I know.
When they show up here to auction the cars off, there's no going back. And you could lose your shirt. And he has no idea, you're bearing your throat.
So if I can get 200,000 out, give or take, I think I'm doing good because it is an auction.
So that's $4 grand a piece roughly.
Yeah.
Seems doable, right?
Yeah.
Auctions.com. Check out the website. Check out what we do. We're a 20-year live auction company. This is an unreserved auction. We hope everybody gets what they came for. Without any further ado, Mr. Todd Swin said we are ready to go. So the first lot coming at you is a 72 Scout 2. It is a one owner, showing 67,000 miles.
The rest of the car is in the back. There's a mint spare hood.
The rest of the car is in the back. There's a mint spare hood.
And the fenders are in the car.
And the fenders are in the car.
It's all there.
It's all there.
Okay.
Mike just came up and said that, guys. There you go. I am going to be now 12, 13. I am going to be now 12, 13. You're just lucky he wasn't eating a sandwich. Internet's on, 14, 15, internet's in. I am going to be now 14, 15, internet's in, 15, 16. I'm going to announce 16, I'm going to announce 16. Internet buyer got to be 1,600. I'm 15, 16. I'm going to announce 17, 1,700. I'm going to 1,700. I'm going to 16, 17. You bet. Now 5,500 is all. I'm going to now 5,500. So, Langley.
They all make me sad to see them go, but I can't get to them all. And like I said, I'm backed into a corner. They got to go.
Here we go on number 84. I got a 1969 Super B. All right, Super B. Now I was thinking a green trailer. But this is 69 Super B, guys. Here we go. All right. I can get 5,000. I get 3,500. 4,000's all. Now they're on 35.4. I get 3,504. Now 45. 45. Get it on 5. 5 on a minute. 5 going to be 5. Here we go. 5 going to be 6,500. I'm going to give it on 5. 5 going to be 6,009. 5 here. I'm going to 5 on 55. Now 6,000. It's the color. It's the super pink trunk. Everything's there. 6,000 bid and 2. And they're going to be 62. And they're going to be 62. 50. 61. 61, 6,001, 6,000, here, going to be 61, and I have here. So the card's gone, 6,000.
You try to be positive, but it's got to be tough for him knowing that it's not. There's no reserve. It's not like he can say, wait a minute, I was just kidding. It's a done deal.
We got a 68 Dodge Charger rust-free roller, new floors, trunk, hood, amazing frame rails. I do believe it's the one right behind the bus, guys.
Yeah, I mean, out of all of them, this should be the star of the show.
Oh, the Charger.
The Charger.
Yeah.
I'm into this for like 25. So if we can get 35, 40 out of it, I'm gonna be happy. We sold it once for 30.
Yeah.
I bought it back for 30 and the guy spent 5,000 more on parts. Remember, he put new
bumpers, grill, right?
Some chrome, and then we put the gloss in it.
And there's no rust in this one.
No, and the thing is, when I sold it, I probably made 10 grand.
Here we go. Internet says it's worth 33,000, 34. I'm going to be out 33, 34,000. I'm going to be out 33, I'm going to be out 34,000. I'm going to be out 34,000, 33,000, 34,000. I'm going to be out 33, 34,000. I'm going to be 4 into 5 Saskatchewan. Now 34,000, 36,000, 35, 36,000. I'm going to be out 40,000, 39, 40,000. I'll go 39,5. 39,5. 5, 40, 9, 5, 40, now 5, 40,500, good solid car, 40,500, now 41 internet, now 41.5 sir. 41, 41.5, 41.5. I appreciate it, guy. At 41,000, 41.5, internet's in. 41,000, 41.5. What's the matter, big shot? Can't you get it back, Pee-wee? At 50, I'm going to Pee-wee. 55, 56. Pee-wee, I have 55,000, 56,000.
Hey,
yes.
55.5.
Wasn't asking for it.
I don't give a
Wasn't asking for it. Give me 56. It's worth it. 5.5, now 6. Internet, you got 6.5. 56.5. 56.5. And Mike's buying dinner tonight. At 56,000. 56.5. I'm gonna ask you one more time, sir. At 56.5. I appreciate it, my friend.
Thank you very much.
So God is going to Saskatchewan at $56,000 today. Thank you kindly, Saskatchewan and Florida Bitters. That was a great purchase.
I'm not worthy. Jesus. What was I doing buying anything but Chargers? I wish I didn't have to sell them, but it's actually a good thing. Well, the ALC shutting us down has forced me to reassess my life goals, and I don't need 80 cars. I don't.
You need 22.
I need 20.
I got a super rare 1969 Dodge Crew Cab 3/4 ton 4x4. Got a 4-speed usual rust, excellent project. Would make an amazing coming swap project. That's a great idea. Here we go, BC Reggie. I get 2750 with the internet. 3,000's all. Now they're done 3. Now 3. Now 3. Now get it on 3. Now they're done 3. 5,000. I get 5250. 52 and a half. 52. 50. 52 and a half. 52. You haven't spent a thing yet. I hit 1,002 and a half. 5250.
What did that just sell for?
Oh man, that is one of the best sign-in names I've seen, and it took me a minute because I'm like, that doesn't look like a normal name.
It's been 7 years since I started this
right,
gong show. They stole the best years of my life. Let's see what that Trans Am goes for.
Is that a Trans Am or a Formula?
Trans Am with a Formula Clip, factory 4-speed, rust-free. Hang it. Man,
Does it have engine in it?
no, there was a 455 in it, but when I got, but it's original 4-speed, tail, no rust.
25, 25, 25, 25, 750, 25, 25, 22, get him down 25. 750, 25, get him down 7.5. Pritchard, get him 750.
Yes.
25, 26, at 25, factory 4-speed car for 2,600. And 6, at 7, at 26, 27, at 28, at 28, sir. 8, 9, 9, 9, 3. I'm going to be down to 31. I'm going to be down 32. Now 33, 33,
I love this.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 9, 4, now 1. Now 2, 3, 43, now 44, 44, 44, 44, 45. 5, 600 now, 46,
That's when you get two guys. That's good for me.
now 9, 49, 5,000.
Yeah, no, I'm up where it should be.
Now 2, now 3, now 5, 75, 7,600. 75, 7,600, 7,600, 7,600, 7,600, 7,600, 7,600, 5,600, 7,500, you got it. 7,500 at George.
Here's one of the favorites today, guys. A 1959 El Camino. Excellent project now. Needs floor and the mirror guy or minor rear quarter work. Hope to have it all bolted together. Have all the panels. Comes with a bill of sale.
This one I'm going to be sad.
It'll be especially sad if I end up buying it.
I mean, I got 12 into it. I was really torn about putting this one in the auction.
He had dreams for every one of these cars. I'm different that way. I want to build cars. But he actually is losing part of himself when these go.
All right, here we go. 1959 Camino. I get 7,000, 7,000, gonna be 8,000 on it. I get 75 here, Ivan, gonna be 8,000, 75, 80, none of it, gonna be 800, 8,000, 7,500, 8,000's all. Hit 7,500, 88, gonna be 8,000, 7,500, 88, put you on 85, 85 here, 85, I'm gonna find, gonna be hit 85, 8,000, 85, 8,000, 85. You get this car bought under 10,000, Rod. Money, 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 all day long. 8,000, 85, 8,500, 8,000, 85, now you're all done, 85, 9,000, 85, 9,000, 87.50, does that help you? 85, 87 and a half, 85 here, 85, gonna be 85 here, 87 and a half, gonna be 8,500, 87 and a half, and I have 8,500, 87.50. So, 8,500 online, 8,500 on it. Here's number 107 to 1972 Barracuda. We're getting into the hot part of the sale, Rod. Look at these beauties, back to back to back.
What do you got in this one, do you figure?
You had to readjust the
seams were.
quarters, right, because they weren't mounted right.
We just
straightened
cleaned
it up and we primed it. 20 grand buying it,
Right.
because all the sheet metal work had been done.
Yes.
Materials, I probably got 25 grand into it. Does come with a 318. I don't know if it runs. There's a box full of other that goes with it.
Okay, wow, okay.
Okay.
Comes with a 318. We don't know if it runs, and it comes with a box full of other. So here we go. 800, we don't do here. I'm gonna be. What are you thinking here? I get 9,000. Gonna be 10. I get 9,000, 10,000, 10,000. I'm gonna be 10. You're not in, sir. And put your money on 10,000. I get 95 here. Bid it on 10, sir. 95 gonna be 10,000. 10,000. Go ahead. 10,000's all. Barracuda time. 10,000. 10,5. 10-5, 10, you're never done 10 and 5. I get 10, you're never done 10, 5, 5, you're bidder. I gotta be 10, 10, 10, 500, and 10, 5, gonna be 10,000, 10, 500. I get 10, you're not 5, 5, 5, gonna be 10,000, 10, 5. Go ahead, you came to town to buy this unit, go ahead. 10, 5, 11,000, 11, 5, 5 out of 11, 500.
11, 750, we gotta go. I'm gonna now 750. So, 11.5 on the floor.
Jesus Christ.
1071, thank you.
Here's 1, 2, 3, get a 1968. Where's Rod Burnett? Plymouth. Satellite now. Has a BC Reggie, 1968 Plymouth. Beauty.
What do you think something like this should go for?
Well, it should go for 30, but it ain't gonna.
I mean, realistically, what do you think?
Well, I'm hoping for half. 15
15,
would
eh?
be nice.
Optimistically figure you're going to lose $15,000.
Yes.
I'm gonna be 6 and 7,000 on it. I get 16. I'm gonna be 16. I'm gonna be 7,000 on it. 6,000, 7,000. I'm gonna be 16. 7. Who wants in? I get 16. I'm gonna be 6. I'm in the 7. So I'm gonna be 6. I'm on 5, 6, 65. 6,000, 65 all. Anybody else want in? 95, 97. Here we all done. 95, 97, 50. Now 10,000. Now 10,000. Now 10. Now 10. Go ahead. 10,000. Now 10. 10,000. Here your chance to get in. 10,000. Sold. Online 97.50. That's sold online for 97.50.
That's it.
Okay. Nice. Hey, the weather agreed with us. We've got 3 left, so I think we're going to be fine. Just stick with us, guys. We appreciate it. Right here, gentlemen, cloned as a road runner.
I mean, Blair, this is the one I'm worried the most about.
Oh, yeah, this should be the easiest sell, man.
Yeah, but who
Oh.
knows? It's also the one we got the most into.
Yeah, but all the hard stuff, virtually all the hard stuff is done.
I know, but it's not a road runner.
You go home and this is like a model.
I
It's
know.
all done. You just
I
got to
know. I even
assemble
put
it.
tires on it.
Yeah, this is nice everywhere.
Yeah, I know. But I got 40 grand into it. I don't think I'm going to get 40 out.
Yeah, it would take a lot more than that to get a car to this stage
Yeah,
in
but
the
people
retail
don't
world.
care. Like, look at that
I
roof.
mean, you got seats.
Yep, brand new roof.
Wow, yeah, they're upholstered too.
Yep.
Yeah, it is a beautiful car.
But there was just a lot of work on it. Cass doing all the body work.
We were just gonna do the sheet metal.
Yeah. And then,
Mike goes, wow, I really like this car.
Yeah, I know.
And I went, no.
I know.
So we did the body
Yep.
work.
And somebody's going to probably steal it.
No,
Whatever. Good luck to him.
During the auction, I'm going to be staying away from him. Let him focus on the auction and not on the guy that cost him a bunch of money.
At 21, 22,000. I'm going to be down 21, I'm down 2. 22,000 to go. At 21, Daisy's back. 22. I'm going to 21. Internet, you got to be 22. I have
30s on this.
21,000 with
I know, I got 40 into it, but whatever.
Yeah,
Top
that.
is on the car. At 21, 22. I'm going to down 2. 41,000, 22. If you're done, we got to be. I'm going to down 2.
You're on the good, right?
You're okay. You don't walk us out.
Good, man. It's all good. It doesn't matter. Yeah.
22,000.
Yep.
So right here.
This one, they got it.
$21,000
That was a good deal.
9,500 to 1011. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on behalf of Ross Valley Restorers, Mike Hall, EG Auctions, and everyone else involved, a great big thank you for your bidding and buying.
Today actually went amazingly well. We never got rained on. The weather was good. Turnout was amazing. Some of the cars went for not as much as what I hoped. A lot of them went for what I expected they would. Some went for way more. I mean, all in all, it was a really good day. Todd and his crew did an amazing job, as always. Brian's kids probably made more money selling hot dogs than we did selling cars. So, I mean, like I said, you got to look at the aggregate. They had to go. They're all gone in a week. There'll be no cars here. I might cry tonight, but I'm happy right now. I'm just happy that everybody came. Everything sold. We sold every single car. So it's kind of going to be weird looking at this with no cars in it. I think that's when it's going to hit me, when they're all gone and I just come out my back door and nothing. Somehow we've struck a nerve. It's been a ride. It's been quite the ride. I'd like to thank everybody. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy.